The strategic value of CRISC for C-suite executives. Bridging the gap between IT and business strategy, executives must align IT risk management with business strategies. It must support the organization's goals. CRISC certified leaders know how IT risks affect operations. They can bridge the gap between technical and business teams. Enabling proactive risk management, reactive approaches to risk can be costly and damaging. CRISC gives executives tools to spot and fix risks before they grow. This capability is essential for maintaining operational continuity and safeguarding assets. Driving compliance and regulatory adherence. In industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, compliance with regulations is non-negotiable. CRISC certified leaders know regulatory requirements. They help organizations meet standards like GDPR, CCPA, and ISO 27001. Enhancing stakeholder confidence, shareholders, partners, and customers seek assurance that their investments and interests are secure. CRISC certification shows an executive's commitment to strong risk management. It builds trust among stakeholders. Data-driven decisions. CRISC certified executives leverage structured risk assessments and data analytics to inform their decisions. They prioritize risks by their impact and likelihood. This lets them allocate resources efficiently and target threats precisely. Prioritizing cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are among the top threats organizations face today. iCRISC background equips executives to evaluate cybersecurity strategies. It ensures they align with business goals while protecting critical data. Supporting innovation. Innovation often comes with risks. CRISC certified leaders know how to balance innovation with risk. They can adopt new technologies while protecting the organization. Conclusion. In conclusion, as risks evolve with technology, CRISC certification helps. It provides a way to manage uncertainties and align IT with business goals. For C-suite executives, CRISC has strategic value. It can turn risk from a challenge into an opportunity.